Hi guys, I'm Dave from Apple Tips, and in today's video I have another 3GS on my table, actually two 3GSs on my table, and in today's video I'm going to perform a fix on this 3GS, the third 3GS I'm fixing on this channel. So in today's video I'm going to transfer the motherboard of this one, my broken 3GS which has no battery inside and the display is broken, into this one which has a good display, good battery and good everything, and is also white. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to focus on the one which has the donor board. So this one does not have the security screws here, so we are going to proceed with removing the display using our suction cup here. We're going to place the suction cup on the display. We're going to take our plastic repair pick and actually it has the security screws. So first we're going to get a PH20 here, bit, as you can see here. And we're going to remove them. It looks like we don't need the pick anymore. Then we have some ribbon connectors or flex cables. These here. We're going to get our iPod opening tool for that. And we're for the third connector here, which is a another type of ribbon cable, we need our tweezer here, and as you can see here we're going to lift up this latch and going to remove it just like this, as you can see here. So I'm going to place the display on the table and I'm going to zoom back out. We have some more screws here to remove, so we're going to do that. Also, there is a screw down here under the not remove sticker. You need to have that in mind. Every screw on inside of this phone is the same, so that should not be a problem with organizing them. Looks like we're done with the screws. We have one more cable here and one more here which is already detached on my phone. And now we can remove the motherboard, which we're going to use on our new phone. We're gonna put this case aside because we don't need it anymore, and we're going to switch to our new phone. We're going to remove the security screws on this one as well. I'm going to put them at the other side of the board here because the screws on this one are the ones I'm going to use. And we're going to lift up the display as usual. Okay, be careful not to separate the glass from the display, because you can do that, and yeah, I'm going to figure it out off camera how I can do it without removing the glass. I did it with the Jimmy tool, so now we can lift up the display freely. And we're going to remove the cables on this one as well. The first one to remove here. Yeah, I did it. And now with our tweezer here. I hope I didn't break the display while doing this, because, not gonna lie, I was kind of... I think I haven't done it properly. But I hope that's not the case here. We're going to detach this flex cable, this other flex cable with the iPod opening tool, another cable here, and the last cable there. Now removing the screws, and do not remove sticker from the screw, because we don't need that. We're just going to be removing every screw out of this iPhone board. Sorry, I thought I lost a security screw. The screw is not adhered properly here, so that's why I had a struggle there. But we are going to remove every screw now. I think this is the older model because it has the green motherboard instead of a blue one, which is on the newer model of a 3GS. That also has the engraving of the memory, and that indicates that is an older version of 3GS. Going to be this also has a SIM card inside of it. We're gonna get rid of that. Oh, I forgot. We have one more screw to remove here at the camera, because on the 3GS is the camera is here connected to the board on the back. I've removed it. The battery, to me it looks okay. I don't think it has any problem. It doesn't look inflated or anything, or swollen or stuff like that. I think it's okay. So now we're going to take our good motherboard and put it back in. I've lined it properly now, and it's time to screw it back in. I have a real struggle here with this camera bracket. I don't know why it does not want to go properly. screwing it back in now. And I think I did align it properly, because the screws go in very nicely. Okay, so this looks like we are not done. We still have the screw that says do not remove. But I did remove it, regardless of what it said, I did remove it. Yeah, but we're here to fix the phone, not to care about what Apple wants us to do. Yeah, I've adhered that connector there too. So now it's time for our display. Which was the display? This was the display. I think the phone the first ever phone I've ever fixed was this model of iPhone, the 3GS. My first ever phone. I don't remember if it was the 3G or 3GS, but one of them. Yeah. I haven't fixed this phone in a while, and that's why I'm struggling with those connectors. Okay. Now it's time to place the last thing, the security screws. Now I remembered about something, and because I've remembered that, let's do an Apple-like ending. We do have one more thing, the SIM card tray. Yeah, very Apple-like. I've placed it inside. Now the phone should work perfectly. So yeah, this was pretty much it with the thing I did, this fix. I've replaced the board on the phone, and I'm going to come back after I turn on the phone. So, phone turned on and it's fully working, and thanks a ton for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, leaving a thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.